What is up guys, Stanley this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your OneDrive folder or file name. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Microsoft account, or you can simply type in account.microsoft.com. After typing, you will see the first official website of Microsoft.com. So as you can see, this is the first official link of Microsoft account. Just simply click on this link. After that, you will be welcome to this page of Microsoft account. Click on sign in. After that, enter your email here and then sign in with your email and password. After signing in with your email and password, you will be welcome to the home page of Microsoft account. So now from here on the left side, as you can see, this is the app section. Click on this app launcher and then you will see multiple Microsoft apps will appear. Now, after this, click on OneDrive. So OneDrive will open in a new tab. So as you can see, my OneDrive has been opened. Now, if I want to change the name of, let's say, this file, I'll just click on it once. And then as you can see, the option of rename. So you can click on rename or you can click on these three dots and then you can rename it from here too. So let's say I just want to name it like book 2, and when I'm done I'll just simply click on rename, and then as you can see it is updating, and here as you can see the rename has been completed and it has renamed my one item. So this is how you can change your OneDrive name. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.